Hey everyone, welcome back to Digi World. Tired of logging into apps for your PNB account balance? Today, you will get to know how to know your Punjab National Bank account balance straight on WhatsApp. No need to visit any branch or open any app, no hassle, just your phone. Let's dive in. First things first, grab your phone and save this official PNB WhatsApp number 9264092640 as a contact. Now, from your registered mobile number, open WhatsApp, tap the chat. Before typing anything, double check for the blue tick next to Punjab National Bank in the chat. That's your safety net, ensures it's the real deal. Then simply send hi. You'll receive a reply menu. Tap on all services. Then select account related services and click on send option at the bottom to proceed. Bank will send an OTP on your registered mobile number and you'll be asked to enter the OTP. Type the OTP to continue. Once OTP verified, click on account queries. It will show different options to choose. From that, select balance enquiry. Then click on send option at the bottom to proceed. Your request for balance inquiry will be processed. Then tap on account number option. It will display all the accounts linked with your mobile number. Then choose your account number from the list. Then your chosen account number in the masked form will be displayed in the screen. Finally, you will get the account balance of your account number. That's it. This is an easy and secure way to check your Punjab National Bank account balance directly on WhatsApp within a minute. There you have it, friends, PNB WhatsApp banking made simple. Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more banking hacks in Hindi and English, and drop "Hi PNB" in comments if you are trying it now. See you next time. Thank you.